Guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do a Find My iPhone alert. So first we're going to sign into iCloud. Now we are, and I'll do something. Now I'm going to play the sound. So we're going to press Find iPhone and then do some steps. So my mom's driving with my iPhone X, and yeah, here it is. It's on lost mode because there it is, App Connect. So yeah, it's working. It's finding the computer. Okay, so yeah, that's the iCloud page on the computer with the map, and it's showing where it is on the computer right now. Here's a GoPro I left in the car. Okay, so yeah, this is my old iPhone 5C, which I'm going to do to configure. It's on Apple LTE because it's on lost mode, so it can't get connected. Yeah, here's my car iPad, and it has no service because it's not connected, because I just disconnected it in lost mode. Okay, so it's about to turn on airplane mode, and that's my iPhone 5C mode. It's restarting. Okay, so now I'm starting. That's my iPhone 5C, making that sound. So here it is. I don't know why my volume thing's up now. It has the wrong date now because, yeah, I lost iPhone. Bye.